fidget spinners. Still fidgety. Still fidgety! Fuck this. Good evening, YouTube. This is Bob Plachno reporting to you from my comfy abode right here in Chicago, Illinois. Fuck them fucking fidget spinners. All right, the moment you've all been waiting for. I have two $20 100x to cash from my state's lottery, a.k.a. the Illinois Lottery. These are the last tickets off the book, 28 and 29. I am not going to explain what's going on in this segment right here, you know. You guys know the drill. All right, these tickets been out longer than long. So, yeah. In short, it's a matching number game. Multipliers involved. There are 7 winning numbers, and there are 25 chances to win or lose. Be my guest and follow me with a $4 million jackpot. We just got to begin with these 2 tickets. Well, welcome back to the Bob Plachno Show. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for tuning in. All right, the real meat and potatoes. Why isn't this son of a bitch focusing? An act of God. All right, the meat and potatoes of the program. These 200x the cash from the Illinois Lottery. Let me grab a scratching implement right quick. All right, so last 2 tickets off the book. Let's reveal these winning numbers numerically on ticket number 28. Hopefully I can back up some pretty ingenuous commentary with some winning numbers. Winning numbers are 49, 28, 57, 9, 36, 43, and a fucking 23. All right, row 1, left to right, we have a 21, 11, 53, 18, 46. Right to left, changing it up so you guys and gals don't get bored with your fucking thumb up your ass. 58, 41, 16, 20, 24. Row tree, 6-pack, 59, 8, 51. Oh, am I doing that where I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so good at that, let me tell you. So sorry, it won't happen again. Goody gumdrops. All right, 51, no 51. Row number 4. 40 ounce. 13, 4, 26, 56, final row, 50, 54, 37, 47, and finally, bottom right-hand corner of this ticket, a 33. All right, this big green goblin of a motherfucker is a loser. Yeah, moving right along to the last ticket. Yeah, the last ticket. Ticket number 29. The black square indicates to Bob and all y'all that this is the last ticket off this particular book. Winning numbers: 14, 24, 41, 34, 13, 39, and a 37. Row number 1. The onset of row number 1 indicates to Bob that he has uncovered a 6-pack. 28, 27, 43, oh, and a 51. Row 2, 54, 30, 26, 57, and a 7. Row 3, 18, 47, 3, 31, and a 19. Yeah, don't fret, there are 2 rows to go. 40 ounce, 39 and a 41, 23, 24, 58, 59. You know what? Stop throwing up the 50s. There are no 50s in the winning area, motherfucking Illinois lottery. And finally, row number 4. What do we got? A 38, 37, 39. Of course, the 38 comes up empty. Final row, 49. Twinsky, 50, 33. Alrighty. Final Bob's number of this particular video. We need 37, 39, 13, 34, 41, 20, 24, or 14. All right, final chance. Bottom right-hand corner of ticket number 29. No match. All right, it is not always tiramisu and a chick getting banged by 5 guys plus 2. This is Bob's grim reality of playing the Illinois lottery. Yes, it is official. 3 losers in a row. 27, 28, and 29. The last 3 ticks off this book were all losers. But nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed this very exciting production. So if you did, please like, please subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, exclaim it to your motherfucking pets. There's a guy on YouTube named Bob Plachno. Just watch his fucking vids. All right, so the time has come, ladies and germs. Without further ado, I've got shit to do. This is Bob Plachno signing off, and as always, have a wonderful night. I'm Bob Plachno, and I approve this message.